O Lord, O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and dear ones. Heal the people, those who suffer from COVID-19. Bless us with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen.
Okay. Last class we discussed addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, and today we are discussing a very simple topic which we discussed standard 1. Okay, and also we recall when we start the class, that means the properties of addition. The properties of addition, and there are 3 properties of addition, and in that the first one we call it as zero property of addition. Will you tell me what do you mean by zero property of addition? Are you remembering the zero property of addition? We didn't tell that name, zero property, but we know the concept. What is
Number.
You add 0 with the number, you get the same number.
Very good, very good. But same thing. That means when we add 0 to a number, we get the same number, or the sum is the same number itself. So this we call it as zero property of addition. We didn't tell that zero property, just we tell adding 0 to a number in standard 1. Just we are giving the name zero property of addition. And let me ask you, see, 10 plus 0. What's the answer, Wilfred? Others, please be quiet. 10 plus 0. What's the answer? 10 plus 0? 10. See, if I am asking 10 plus 0 is equal to 10, which property of addition it shows? Wilfred, which property of addition it shows?
0.
Zero property of addition. Understood? So it may be come. The question may come like that. It may not come 10 plus 0 is equal to dash. It's very simple. No, 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. But it may ask which property of addition. So we have to tell me. It is zero property of addition. Understood? So we are giving a special name. These are qualities of addition. Property means it's a quality. So quality of addition, zero property of addition. Now next we have after number property addition. After number. This also we discuss in standard 1. What is this after number, Mitra? Are you remembering? After number.
Next number.
Next number. That means when we add which number?
1.
When we add 1 to a number, we get the number just after it. When we add 1 to a number, we get the number just after it. Asriya, 9 plus 1. What's the answer? 9 plus 1?
10.
10. 49 plus 1. What's the answer, Evelyn? 49 plus 1?
49 plus 1.
Next number after 49 we have?
50.
50. So 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. Now let me ask you, see, 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. Which property it shows? Advaita, which property it shows? Which property of addition? After number. What is it?
Number.
After number property. Okay, we call it as after number property. That means when we add 1 to a number, we get the next number, or we get the number just after it. Okay, now the third property, this also we discussed in last year. That means order property, or we call it as commutative property. What we call? Commutative property. That word is very important, that you have to write and study.
Good morning, ma'am.
Commutative, commutative property. That means if we change the order of numbers, order means what? Position of numbers. If we change the order of numbers while doing addition, nothing will happen to the sum. That means the sum does not change. See, order property, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. That we call it as order property. So if it is asked, see 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, or 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. Which property it shows? Mamadali, what we call this property of addition?
After number.
Is it after number? 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, or 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, or 2 plus 10 is equal to 12, or we can say 10 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 10. So what it shows, which property of addition it shows? We can say order property, or we can say commutative property. Okay, we call it as commutative property. C-O-M-M-U-T-A-T-I-V-E, commutative property. Okay, so these properties I will we can write in the notebook. Okay, so please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook. Take a fresh page. Let's write the properties of addition. At the top, you can write P-R-O-P-E-R-T-I-E-S. Properties. Properties means qualities.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Yeah, yes. P-R-O. P-R-O. P-E-R.
Please
Properties. T-I-E-S. Pro. P-R-O. Proper. P-E-R. Ts. T-I-E-S. Properties.
Miss, wait, mommy.
Please take a notebook first and write. I just written only one word now. Please take a notebook and write first. Properties.
Properties.
O-F. Of.
Properties of
What will be the next word?
addition.
Very good, Abdul. Properties of addition. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Properties of addition. Evelyn, take fast and write. Just
Karthik finished.
okay, Karthik, good boy. See, it's max period. You know, it will start from 11:50. No, so you should be ready with a notebook and pencil box and all everything.
Ma'am, where's the addition spelling?
A-D-D-I. This we started from standard 1 to the A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N.
There, you have to be prepared with your.
I cannot see the board.
Maybe you are facing network issue, that's why. See, if you're facing network issue, you don't worry. After the class, I will send the notes in the group, so you can complete it. So, before the class, okay, keep everything ready. The notebook, the pencil box, and if it is textbook or workbook, it will be informed in the group. So, you can keep it that also. Properties of addition, and in that the first one. Number 1, we have it said ERO, zero property. PROPERTY. Arnav, talk in English.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of property?
Zero property. The first property we call it as zero property. Shiva Madhava, can you tell me what is zero property of addition?
What, ma'am?
What we call, or what is this zero property of addition? When we add
When we add
0
0
to a number,
to a number,
what we will get? We get
the same number.
see, Adwar, this Shivamada will tell. Okay, wait. See, let him tell.
the same number.
Once again, please. Once again, please. When we add
When we add
0
0 property
to a number, we get
we get
the same number.
same
Or we
number.
can say the sum is the number itself. Okay. So let's
Okay.
write zero property. Let's put a hyphen. Then we can write when we add WHEN. When we add ADD, add. When we add a 0, in bracket you can write the spelling ZERO. When we add 0 to a when we add 0 to a
Ma'am, did you call me?
is that what?
Did you call me?
No, I didn't call.
Karthik finished.
Okay, Karthik, good boy. When we add 0 to a number,
We get the same number.
we get the same number, or we can write the sum. The sum, SUM, sum is, the sum is the number itself. The number itself. The zero property. When we add 0 to a number, comma, the sum is the number itself. We get the number means we call it as sum. So we can say the sum is the number itself. When we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. Meenakshi, tell me one example. One example. 2-digit number example, okay?
0 plus 9.
Which one?
0 plus 9.
0 plus 9. What's the answer?
9.
9. Can you tell me one 2-digit number?
Number, okay.
We need one 2-digit number.
28.
20. Okay, you can write your own example, no problem. I'm writing here 12 plus 0. Nived, what's the answer? 12 plus 0, Nived? Nived, 12 plus 0, what's the answer?
12.
12, very good. Anushka, give me one example. A zero property of addition. Tell me one example. Other than this, your favorite number is?
12.
Anushka, tell me your favorite number.
My
number.
favorite number 1.
Anushka, tell me one number. Others, please be quiet. Anushka, one number, tell me one number. Anushka, tell me one number.
We want
You can write any one number, no problem. I wrote 12 plus 0. If you can write, if you want to write another number, you can write other, no problem. Anushka, which is your example? Which is your number?
9.
Any one number, please tell me, Anushka. Any one two-digit number?
11.
See, others are telling. Anushka, tell me one number.
3.
Which one?
3.
3. 3 is a one-digit number, no, Anushka. Tell me one two-digit number. We are in second standard, no?
18.
18. Good girl. So 18 plus 1. Sorry, 18 plus 0 is equal to?
18.
18. Okay. 18 plus 0 is equal to 18. So let's move to the next property. So here we have the second one. Second property, that is after number property. AFTER, after number property. PROPERTY, after number property. Albert, what is this after number property, Albert?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by this after number property? When we add
Add
1 to a number,
Not see the board. 1 to a number.
Albert, tell me, when we add 1 to a number, what we will get?
We get the next number.
We get the next number, or we get the number just after it. So let's write that. Okay. So put a hyphen and write when we add, when
Ma'am, your mother write 1000 plus 0.
when we add,
Ma'am, please. When we add
when we add 1 to a number,
the number get the next number.
comma,
When we add after it.
we get the number take time and write. Okay. After number property, when we add 1 to a number, we get the number just after it.
Ma'am, please show me.
When we add 1 to a number, we get the number just after it. when we add 1 to a number, we get the number just after it. Parvati, tell me one example.
Ma'am,
Tell me one example, Parvati.
ma'am, we can plus 1.
Once again, Parvati.
Plus 1. 16 plus 1.
Equal to
61.
60 plus 1 is equal to 61. Very good. Dhyan, will you tell me one example? Dhyan, will you tell me one example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me one example.
Ma'am, we can write any example.
Yes. Dhyan, tell me one example.
97 plus 1.
Is equal to?
121. Parada.
98.
Very good. So here I am writing one example. If you want that, you can write that. Otherwise, you can write your own example. But it should be correct. I'm writing here 35 plus 1 is equal to Anay, 31 plus 5. What's the answer, Anay? 31 plus 36. Good boy. 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. Karthik, what is your example? Karthik, which example you have written? Karthik.
60 plus 1.
Karthik
20 plus 1. 21.
is equal to 21. Very good. Christy, which is your example?
And Krishna wrote 15 plus 1 is equal to 16.
Okay. Now, Christy, what about you? Which example you have written?
Ma'am, Tirtha joined late.
It's okay, Tirtha. It's same thing we studied in standard 1. No problem.
Ma'am,
But you have to complete the notes. That's all. Christy, what is the example? What is your example?
37 plus 1.
Christy, I can hear.
40 plus 1, 41. Parada.
One example, tell me, Christy.
Plus 1. Ma'am, your mother comes up.
Tell me one number,
40 plus
Christy.
1.
Any 2-digit number. Any 1 2-digit number.
60.
60 plus 1.
I can't hear. I don't know. Maybe the net issue. Nihal, what is your example? Nihal?
70 plus 1.
What's the answer?
71.
71. Okay, good. Close. So let's move to the next one. Okay. Here we have the next one, that is third property. We call it as commutative property. Okay, commu. C-O-M-M-U.
Ma'am, we can write
T-A-T-I-V-E.
Ma'am, we can write our property also.
Now you write commutative property. That is a proper word. Okay. So please write this word itself. Commutative property.
Commutation.
C-O-M-M-U-T-A-T-I-V-E. Commutative property.
Commutative property.
Commutative property.
What is Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes. Please tell me.
Ma'am, you send the note.
Yes, Arjun Janesh.
Ma'am, you send Will you send the notes? in
Yeah,
the
yeah,
group?
I will send the notes.
Ma'am, आपकी Krishna is
So the third property is commutative property. Let's write the commutative property. Put a hyphen and write.
completed.
And here we are. CHANGING. 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 What is that? Changing. Yes, Karthik?
Ma'am, I board cannot see.
Maybe your network issue, my dear. Others can see the board.
No, okay.
Okay, okay. Changing the order.
Ma'am,
ORDER. Order means the position.
ma'am, please wait for me. Ma'am,
Siddhi Vinayak, please turn on your video.
ma'am, today is my birthday.
Krishna's birthday today.
Yes, madam.
Happy birthday, Krishna. So Sadhya will be there now.
Happy birthday, Krishna.
Krishna, Sadhya will be there now.
Happy birthday, Krishna.
Yes, sir, no, Krishna.
Krishna.
Oh, let me come.
Krishna.
We will be at the end. Okay, now please write. Changing the order in which
Ma'am, please wait. Well, happen.
changing the order in which
Ma'am,
who is this calling ma'am?
ma'am, send me the notes.
Usually I'm sending the notes. No, but special is today. I will send the notes. Changing the order in which we add
W H
two numbers
I C H.
changing the order in which we add two numbers
Two number.
W E V A D D and G
changing the order in which we add two numbers comma does not change their sum.
Ma'am, please wait for me.
You take time and write. Changing the order in which we add two numbers does not change their sum. Or we can say in our own words, if we change the position of numbers, nothing will happen to the sum, or the sum does not change.
B E O A O S C I E S
Changing the order of numbers or changing the order in which
and
we add two numbers does not change their sum.
not a note. T E അമ്മ ക്ലാസ് കഴിഞ്ഞു ഞാനെന്നു Ma'am, she mother finished.
Okay, good. So change in the order in which we add two numbers does not change the sum. So one example we can write. See, 14 plus 15.
Ma'am, this is the last one.
Yeah. 14 plus 15.
Wait for me.
Right. 14 plus 15. What's the answer, Avina? 14 plus 15. Do it and tell me. 14 plus 15. Two-digit addition, no? We already studied 14 plus 15. What's the answer?
We write our own number. 19.
14 plus 15.
19.
Oh, 19. Who got 19 as answer?
29.
Eh?
29.
Who is telling 19?
29.
It's 29. Listen here. See, first number 14. Second number 15. So let's add. So we will start from the ones place now. So here the ones place we have 4 plus 9. So we got 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Tens place we have 1 plus 1, that is 2. So the answer is 29. So 14 plus 15, the answer is 29. So we can put a comma, then we change the positions. Okay. So the 15 plus 14. Again, we will get the same number, that is 29. 14 plus.
Can we write our own example?
No problem, you can write. 14 plus 15 is equal to 29, or we can say 15 plus 14 is equal to 29. You can write your own example, but it should be correct. Okay. So we can write 14 plus 15 is equal to 15 plus 14.
28.
Which number, Sam?
We can write 16 plus 16.
You can write your own number, no problem. 14 plus 15 is equal to 29. Now, then we interchange the position. 15 plus 14 is equal to 29. So we can write 14 plus 15 is equal to 15 plus 14. So we discussed today the properties of addition, and we have the first one, zero property of addition. Second one, after number property addition, and the third one, commutative property of addition. Okay, good. So the next class, we will discuss the word problems. Okay. So by that, we will come to the end of that chapter. Then we have the next chapter.
The next step,
Bye,
subtraction.
ma'am. I love you,
But we will take a subtraction later after another chapter, some other chapter. See, addition and subtraction, we are taking together. You may have confusion, no? So we will take later the subtraction. Okay. So let me wind up the session.
Yes.
So the same notes I will forward in the group also. Okay. So thank you for joining. So we will meet in the next class. Bye.
Have a nice day, ma'am.